Come on, baby.
Okay, fam, we here, man. We at round 11, week 11. Sorry. Yeah, the family's here. They're already starting out. Week 11, baby. Let's go. One more week to go. Nice. Well done, team. Nice team now. Good teamwork. Well done. Well done, team. Oh, Bella. Show Vicky. Let's go. Got this, team. Nice, team. Let's go, Davey boy. Well done. Well done. Keep working. Nice. Hey. Oh, thanks. Nice. Making it look easy now, lad. Shotty, where's your energy, T? Nice team.
Don't wait for me.
Hey man, as you can see, man, these guys are pushing themselves, knowing that it's 1 more week to go. They're pushing for that number 1 spot. Good push from the team. Proud. There you go, David.
Come on, David. David.
Good teamwork.
David.
Come on, David, you're almost there. There you go. Good boy. Nice. Let's go, team. Well done, guys. Almost there, David. Come on, man. Halfway. Keep pushing, boy. There you go. Keep going. Nice. There you go. One more. Two more. Let's go. One more. Hey. Nice. Oh, nice one. Well done. How's now this time? Shot up. Shot feet. Shot ladies. Nice. Shot team. Nice ladies. Guys are so good at it. Nice. Nice team. Nice. Nice team. And now we got the lads. The ladies, the lads, and then the young ones. Nice, boys. Push. Nice, boys. Yo, the boys. Yo, music. Nice team. That's it, push each other. Nice, boys. Yeah, get there, sweet. Well done. Nice team. Good work, ladies. Push each other. Nice. Good work, team. That's it, push each other. You're there, Vicky, you're there. Shotgun, say. Let's go, 5. Hey? Let's go. You're almost there, Vicky. You're almost there. You're almost there. Nice. You're there, Vicky. Good on you. Well done. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Shot, finish it off strong, finish it off strong. Nice. Maloa Bella. Nice. No. Oh yeah, they just started. Don't let them catch you. Nice, good stuff. Yeah, there you go, that's the spirit from mum. That's it. Let's go, young kiddies. Nice team. Good stuff. There you go, see? That's how you do it. That's how you work, man, David. Let's go, Noah. You got it, Noah. Let's go, Tina. Nice. Good stuff, boys. Good stuff. Nice, Tina. Well done, team. Yeah, last jog to the body drops. Yep, jog to the body drops. Look, you almost caught them. You guys are almost catching them. Hey! Nice team. Nice. Catch him, David. Go. Shot Noah. 2. Shot Tina. Nice. Noah, you're on your 3rd. David, you'll need to see it too. Let them catch you. Go, Tina. 4. Up. Nice, David. That's 3. One more, Tina. Yes. Go. Well done. Yep, go. No. You got one more. You gotta do me one more big one. Go. Up. Yeah. Hey. Nice. Just made it. Man. Different level today, man. Beast mode. So can I say? Hey, what a pick on mummy, dude. Yeah, he's next.
Okay.
Go fans!
Nice. Keep going. Is she still going?
Yo, two.
Okay, go Vicky, you come.
Chase her! Get her, boy! Get her!
Okay, that's your turn.
Your turn, go! Oh! Hey! Bully! Get up! Let's go, Sophie. Get her, Faith. Let's go, Faith. Get her. She's coming. No. Go, Faith. Hey. Get him, Noah. Nice. Run off. Oh. Hey. Nice, brother. Nice, brother. Hey! There we go. Get him, Glenn. Get him, Glenn. Get him, Glenn. Hey! Woo! Nice.
You have to come again.
Get her, get her. Get her. Nice. Go Tina. Go Tina. Nice. Go, run, run, run. No. Go Fee. Catch her. Catch her. Catch her, Fee. Hey. Go, go this way, Fee. Let's go T, let's go T, get her T. Get her T. Hey. Now it's out of the in-laws. Let's go. Don't let him catch you though. Let's go, let's go.
Go T, go T.
Let's go. Yeah. All right, man, that's us. We're done. Week 11. Can't believe I'm saying it, man. Week 11. We're done. We're dusted. Got Saturday and in one more week. And yeah, challenge will be over. Done. Finito. Until we start the game. Until then, peace.
Ooh, yeah. Come on. Now, baby, he keeps on saying that he tells you you're the only one. But everybody knows he's out there having fun behind your back, and that's a fact. And it ain't right, cause he's a fly guy acting like a gentleman. But back in the day I can still remember when he just turned around, wouldn't look twice at you. Now I'm just being straight with you, cause he takes you for a fool.
And then hashtag Y123.
Hashtag Y.
Yo, thank you.
Well done, T.
On your guard when he thinks you don't ever do. Now keep the truth being only you, and I fall alone when he gets everything he wants. So girl, open up your eyes and see with me. What you see is what you girl, I know it, and I'm on it. Yes, I know that he's playing around. What you see is what you and I'll show it. No hidden agenda, girl. Now, lady, when he tells you that he loves you and won't give you up, takes your car and it's your money that be filling it up. Look at what he's got, thinks he's hit the jackpot, and it ain't right, cause your connections keep him sweet.
She did it again. Thank you, Jane. Thank you, Sissy. She did the hell. We did it.
Typical. He's only in it for himself and that's so cynical. He'd be out of sight, girl, if you lost it all. So I feel so bad inside when he's cruising in your ride, cause I know, baby, late at night there's some other girl by his side. And I wanna let you know that he really ought to go, and you should believe in me, cause I care, baby.
Hashtag Y.
Oh, yeah. On 3, hashtag Y.
Hashtag Y.
One more time.
Hashtag Y.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye. Yes.